What is up, everybody? I'm back, Chef Sonny here, with another Gooderthanamug recipe. This is something that's been handed down from my pops, and he used to cook this meal for us all the time, and he still cooks it to this day, and it's a family favorite. All of my family from up north, down south, east, west, whenever they come to my mom and dad's in Mississippi, the request is, hey, where's the fried ribs? Did you fry some ribs? When I come down there, I want some fried ribs. You better have fried ribs. Something to do with fried ribs. So, I'm gonna go ahead and satisfy that today and hook up these fried ribs. So let's get busy. Alright, so the first thing we want to do is trim off all the fat off your ribs, or as much of it as you can. I got my knife Baby Blue here. Make sure you got a sharp knife, and you just grab an edge of the fat and just pull back, and then just kind of cut and pull at the same time right at the base of it. Should come out pretty easily. Alright, now after you got off all your fat, as much as you're gonna get, pull this little meat flap off. I don't know what it's called. It's called a meat flap. Cut it, set it to the side, and fry it later. Then we're gonna pull off this membrane here. You just start at the edge of the rib. It's a little thin layer of skin that you can just pull off. You don't want to fry that, because it's gonna make the ribs, that part of the rib, real chewy. And I don't know about you, I like to eat all of my ribs, the meat side and the back side of the bone is, skin that bad boy. So yeah, just pull this all the way back, get all of that membrane off there. And then on this little outer part here, this flap here, just gonna cut that off. If you want to leave it on there, that's up to you. I just find it a little easier if I cut this part off and pull that membrane off of that side too. So that's what we're gonna do here. That, we're gonna go ahead and prepare our little rub. I got a lot of cayenne pepper because I like spice, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, ground mustard, and of course some gold medal seasoning salt. I just sprinkle that right over the top, get a little whisk, and whisk it all in together. And there's your deep fried rib rub. Well, it's mine at least. Alright, next we're going to cut each individual rib off of the slab. Slice those down, then we're going to take them and put them in a Ziploc bag with some Lowry's garlic and herb marinade. And get a little bit of that seasoning. I just threw a couple pinches in there. Close it up. Oh, not that way. That way. And then put them in the refrigerator, let them marinate for about 30 minutes to an hour. Alright, and now let's prepare the batter. We're going to take about 1.5 cups of whole all-purpose flour with some of your seasoning mix. Sift that together. And then take the rest of that seasoning and go ahead and sprinkle it over those ribs and give them a nice tumble, a nice toss. And you're going to take those ribs and dredge them in that flour, baby. Get them nice and coated. Make sure you shake off all the excess flour before you drop them in the grease. Make sure your grease is preheated at about 350 degrees. Go ahead and drop those babies in there. And in about 15 minutes, we're gonna come back with this gold right here. Oh yeah, Gooderthanamug. And last but not least, make sure you refill your cup. It's Hennessy for me.